Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great and staying safe. Okay, so firstly, I'm here after a quite long break, and the idea behind this break was to prepare myself to be consistent in whatever I do. So now I think I would be able to post more frequently on this channel. Keeping this brief clarification aside, let's come to the announcement for which I'm here, the beautiful announcement. So considering the amazing response that we had received for the mentorship program and the one-on-one counseling which we had launched for December 21 students, we are here launching the mentorship program for June 22 students and one-on-one counseling for June 22 and December 22 students. The structure of the one-to-one counseling and mentorship program are going to be same or maybe with some improvements. So let me just quickly give you the details of both. So firstly, the mentorship program for June 22 exam. When it is going to start, 6th of March, and when I'm announcing 4th of March. बहुत जल्दी बता दिया, हाँ जी बहुत जल्दी बता दिया. So the registration will be open from today. जैसे ही video release होता है, there will be a form in the description box and the details will be there in the description. You can register from there. और 6th March से this mentorship program is going to start and it will end with the last day of your exam. जो भी जून में आपका last day of exam रहता है, the mentorship program will end on that date. So the mentorship will start with a call where we will prepare a study plan for you, a customized study plan, and after preparing that, हर 15 दिन में we will have a follow-up call जिसमें अगर हमें स्टडी प्लान में कुछ चेंज करना है तो वो वी विल डू. अगर आपके कुछ क्वेरीज है तो आई विल ट्राई टू रिजॉल्व देम, और अगर कुछ भी अपडेट्स होंगे देन वी विल डू इन दैट फॉलोअप कॉल. सो इट्स क्लियर, इट विल स्टार्ट विद अ कॉल और हर 15 दिन में वी विल हैव अ फॉलोअप कॉल. नाउ बिसाइड्स दैट वी विल ऑल्सो हैव the option to chat where you can solve your queries for which you cannot wait for the next call. So I will try to resolve them the same day or latest by next day. इसके अलावा I used to share some other things with the students. For example, some motivational messages जिसकी frequency of course this time it will increase. Besides that, study tips and tricks के audio messages, and then we have trackers also, the study trackers. If you want your entire day का schedule, revision strategies, one day before exam की preparation, so these all will be there in the mentorship program. Now moving to the second thing, that is the one-on-one counseling call. So this is for June 22 as well as December 22 exam. इन दोनों एग्जाम से रिलेटेड अगर आपकी कुछ क्वेरीज है, कैसे पढ़ना है या फिर स्टडी प्लान बनाना है, where you don't need a follow-up, you just want a study plan to be prepared, या फिर आपके काफ़ी सारे क्वेरीज है पढ़ाई से रिलेटेड, लेक्चर्स से रिलेटेड, रिविजन से रिलेटेड, सो यू कैन गेट ऑन अ 30 minutes कॉल विद मी and we can discuss all those things in that call. Now a few clarifications. First is this is for new syllabus students only. Second, this is for CS executive and CS professional के students. This is not for CS EET. And third, the calls will be scheduled mostly on the weekends. For mentorship program, it will be on the weekend. तो जैसे alternate weekends में we will have calls. And for the one-on-one counseling, it will be mostly in the weekends, but during the weekdays, I will try to schedule one call in the evening after my office. So this way it is going to proceed. You can register as and when you want, and the first available slot will be given to you. But for the mentorship program, you have to register by 6th of March only. So think, then decide, and then let me know. I think that's all I wanted to discuss in this video. Eagerly waiting to connect with you guys. Wishing you all the luck for your exams, and thank you for watching.